My name is Laura, and I am the Education Director for WREN in the West Eugene Wetlands. Today, on behalf of our partnership with the Longtom Watershed Council, I am here to introduce this unique citizen science opportunity focused on western pond turtle conservation in Oregon. In this video, I will give a brief tutorial on how you can participate in this project using the iNaturalist app. I will talk about where you can go to view the western pond turtle in the Eugene area. And lastly, I will give some safety guidelines and regulations for viewing wildlife in the field. So let's get started. If you haven't already, please check out our bonus feature video on identifying turtles and the tutorial on how to use the iNaturalist feature on your smartphone device. There are a couple of different ways that you can record your observations using iNaturalist. You can use your computer or you can use your smartphone. To begin, let's take a look at using your computer to make your observations. First, log into your account and then on the top bar, click on Community and Projects. In the search bar, type in Western Pond Turtles in Oregon. On this page, you will learn a little bit more about some observations that have previously been made and the people who have made those observations, as well as a little bit more about the project. The purpose of this project is to enhance our understanding of the distribution of western pond turtles. To make your first observation, click on Add Observations. On this page, you will be able to type what you saw, where you were when you saw it, and when you saw it, as well as add any photos of western pond turtles that you captured. In the observation fields, you will record the water body feature, which could be creek, pond, lake, the total number of western pond turtles you saw and your level of certainty, as well as other kinds of turtles present, western painted turtles, red-eared sliders, and snapping turtles, and any other turtle observation notes. You can also record the kind of nesting activity you've observed, which could be a female in the act of nesting, an intact nest, a depredated or disturbed nest, any basking structures present, and any human recreation activities that you've observed in the water or on the land and domestic animals present, as well as your weather conditions during the day that you made your observations. The second way you could record your observations is using your smartphone device. In your upper left-hand corner, click on Projects and search for Western Pond Turtles in Oregon. And join the project. You are now ready to make your first observation. Go ahead and go back to your home screen and click on your camera. Take your pond turtle picture and add it to your project. You will have a number of observation fields show up on your screen for you to fill out. And voila, you are now a citizen scientist. There are many places you can go in the Eugene area to view the western pond turtle. Fall is an especially nice time of year for viewing because the turtles in our area go through a dormant period during the warmer months as the ponds warm. The months of July and August have little turtle activity. When the nights start to get cooler and water temperatures drop, pond turtles start to return to morning basking. You can see this happening during clear and sunny mornings in autumn. Check out any of these popular public parks where the western pond turtle has successfully been spotted. There are some precautions that we recommend you take while visiting western pond turtles in their native habitat. First, please make sure that you maintain a respectable distance from the wild animal that you are observing. This distance is usually about 25 yards. Please only handle turtles if they are in harm's way, such as in the road, whereby they should be moved to the other side in the direction they are headed. Nestlings are safe within their nesting cage and should not be handled. After hibernation, turtles accrue massive amounts of lactic acid in their bodies. Basking behavior helps turtles dissipate the lactic acid in their tissues, so being careful not to disturb them during this process and not moving their basking structures is especially important. Unwanted pets should go to an animal rescue center or be rehomed and not be released into the wild. Non-native plants and animals can cause harm to the natural area, and released pets do not survive in the wild. Lastly, if you are making your observations with your four-legged friend, please keep them on a leash. Now that you have learned a little more about the western pond turtle and acquired some skills in iNaturalist, you are ready to help local scientists capture data on this native species. Thank you for taking the time to join us, and we hope to see you in the field.